Hi, this is my review for Cowboy Bebop, the complete series, the Blu-ray edition. Fantastic old school anime, one of my favorites. It's a classic. If you've never seen Cowboy Bebop, definitely check it out. It's so good. It'll keep you hooked the moment you start watching it. You want to watch the whole thing. Each episode, so most of the episodes are kind of like their own episode. It's not like the series doesn't link like each episode one after the other. You know, a lot of them are just kind of like their own separate episodes. And then there's some episodes that kind of they push the story forward. So you can see the extras that are included. Definitely some cool ones to check out. Different interviews. There you can see some of the scenes from the anime and the background. I mean, like the backstory, some of it there. And then let's see what it looks like inside. So you have over here the case, and then these are the DVDs. So this one, I like it, looks almost like a little, the colors look like a little DJ disc type of thing. So they look very cool. And those are the CDs, and I believe the last one is the extras. Yeah, the last one is the extras, the fourth disc. So yeah, so that's how it looks. Definitely check this anime out if you've never have. Highly recommend it if you're an anime fan, and hope this review is helpful.